Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to add extra accessories, product add-ons in Woocommerce for free. If you're a Woocommerce store owner, you know that offering extra product add-ons can be a great way to increase sales and provide additional value to your customers. In this video, we'll show you how to add extra accessories product add-ons to your Woocommerce store for free. I am going to add extra accessories product add-ons for this product. First, we need to add a free plugin called Advanced Product Fields for Woocommerce. After activating the plugin, we can create a global field group and assign it to that specific product. We can select the field type from the first option. Each option is a checkbox. Right option label. Select pricing and pricing amount. And finally, add a set of rules to determine when this field group should appear. Congratulations! Our product now has a group of added fields that are showing on that specific page. After checkout, the user can see those fields while purchasing the product.